Greetings! It's maintenance day for my Dodge Challenger 392 Hemi Widebody. I'm going to be performing two procedures today. First one is an engine oil change, and then the second is a rear differential gear oil change. So I have this 392 Challenger. I also have a 392 Charger Widebody. I've already done the videos, detailed video of the engine oil change and the rear differential gear oil change on the Charger. So rather than making two more full-length videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to point out the components in this vehicle, the underbody components, the under the hood components. Then I'm going to refer you to the existing videos that I've already posted for those two procedures using the Charger. The reason I'm doing that is that the procedure is exactly the same. The components are the same, the parts are the same. So it just really doesn't make sense to make two more videos with this car that basically demonstrate the same procedure. Alright, so starting under the hood, we can see that it is the same Hemi engine, the 392. Alright, there's the engine oil dipstick in the same spot as it is in the Charger. If we go underneath the vehicle, alright, we'll see that we've got the same cover that needs to be removed. All right, over there. This is the cover with the 4 bolts. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. That underbody cover needs to be removed so that we can access the oil drain pan and drain out the oil, and also access the engine oil filter. All right, so that is identical, as I said, to the Charger. All right, and then at the rear of the vehicle, underbody, all right, is the differential, which is right over there. As I said, it is the same differential that's in my Charger 392 Widebody.